Hey, you're still here. Well, it's a good thing you stopped back by. Because just like Steve Jobs always says for the end of his presentations, there's one more thing, right? So, with all the renovations that happened to the laundry room, probably one of the recurring costs year over year was the dryer vent clean out. Now, if you can see behind me, right up there is a dryer vent clean out. Now, we have a very long run for the dryer, and as a result, every 6 to 9 months, we had to have the laundry vent cleaned out. All the lint and all that stuff just collected, and what made it really stink is it would blow out onto our rear deck. So as that got congested and so forth, it would just kind of blow out in spurts. And so it got to be a real pain in the behind to clean up, right? So put a little addition in that makes that process much easier. Why is that important? Well, instead of having to pay a contractor to come out every 6 to 9 months to clean it out, we can do it ourselves. So how do we actually do that, you ask? Well, in addition to cleaning out the vent itself, which is down here, I installed a clean out. And what that clean out actually does is I can actually sit up on my dryer. And if you see a little bit more closely, that is a vent clean out. So that has a little lid that opens up. If I can get to it. There we go. And it has a filter. And that filter can be cleaned out. So I have to clean that out, probably once a week. But that is a very easy process. And it saves time and money, right? So that was the one more thing. And the reason that's important, because every time we had that vent cleaned out, it cost about $150. So instead of having to shell out $300 every year, now in a minute I can get on my dryer and actually clean out the dryer vent. So that was the one more thing. Appreciate you stopping by. Stay tuned for the next home improvement project. I'm sure it will be a doozy, as they always are.